tropical storm is just that, but it still has dangerous conditions, and you never know when things can change. Anybody driving and stuff like that, they need to stay home.
Thank God for dry air aloft. And I guess that's the difference in making this a tropical storm instead of a hurricane.
I'm praying we continue to dodge that bullet until after it comes through and leaves.
We are going to be in this weather pattern for the next 24 hours. So let me just say that people need to be very patient. That system is still down in that Victoria area, and it's moving very slowly, about 2 miles per hour, and it's going to be moving very slowly heading east, and until it clears and gets on the east side of Houston, we're going to have to deal with these rain bands. And so quite frankly, it's the rain bands that are coming in, and they're dropping water. Sometimes it could be 2-3 inches per hour. So we've gotten a considerable amount of rain, and it's going to continue throughout the rest of the day and into the night. So we remain.
There's a gentleman I'm helping out right here in this area. They got flooded. It's incredible. And there he is. He's coming out. I'm going to give him my umbrella so we can get him out. Come on, we got him to safety. Oh man. So where were you headed, sir?
This way. I said to go get my son. But
I'm so sorry. And there's your car, man.
You need a ride home? I'm gonna call my girl to come up here. All right. You all right? Yeah, I'm all right.
For it, there's a big dip because that's what happened to the truck and the white SUV. There's something that you can't see there.